Welcome to Kefalonia, one of Greece's most breathtaking islands. A place where turquoise waters meet rugged mountains, where charming villages blend with ancient history, and where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. This is the first episode of our journey through Kefalonia. In this series, we will explore the most stunning places you must visit on this island. Today, we begin with 4 incredible locations, each offering something unique, from crystal-clear beaches to majestic mountains and vibrant coastal towns. Let's dive in. Our first stop, Antisamos Beach, a paradise of shimmering emerald waters, embraced by lush green hills. This is one of Kefalonia's most famous beaches, a place where nature's colours explode in breathtaking contrast. Here, the sea is calm, warm, and inviting, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply soaking in the sun. But what makes Antisamos truly special is its wild beauty, untouched, raw, and absolutely mesmerizing. Agia Effimia. Just a short drive away, the seaside village of Agia Effimia awaits. A picturesque harbour town known for its charming waterfront, lined with traditional tavernas, fishing boats, and stunning coastal views. Agia Effimia is the perfect place to experience the island's authentic charm. Walk along the promenade, enjoy fresh seafood, or set sail to explore the hidden coves and crystal-clear waters surrounding the village. A destination where serenity and beauty go hand in hand. Argostoli. No journey through Kefalonia would be complete without visiting its capital, Argostoli. A town that is both lively and historic, Argostoli offers a mix of modern life and traditional Greek culture. Stroll along Lithostroto Street, the heart of the town, filled with cafes, shops, and local markets. Visit the Debose Bridge, the longest stone bridge over the sea in the world. And don't forget to stop by the harbour, where you might just spot the famous loggerhead sea turtles gliding gracefully through the waters. Argostoli is not just a city, it is the beating heart of Kefalonia. Mount Ainos. From the sea, we now turn to the sky. Rising over 1,600 meters, Mount Ainos is the highest peak in Kefalonia and one of the most spectacular natural wonders of the Ionian Islands. Covered in a rare black pine forest, Ainos is home to breathtaking hiking trails, wild horses, and panoramic views that stretch beyond the island, reaching as far as Zakynthos and Ithaca. At the summit, you stand above the world, where the air is crisp, the silence is deep, and nature reigns supreme. Kefalonia is an island of endless beauty, and today we have only scratched the surface. In the next episode, we will continue this journey, uncovering more of Kefalonia's hidden gems, breathtaking landscapes, and timeless wonders. Subscribe, stay tuned, and let's explore this paradise together.